Welcome to Fun Facts about Sneezing. Have you ever wondered why we sneeze? It can feel like a tiny explosion in your head. Did you know that a sneeze can travel at speeds of over 100 miles per hour? That's faster than a cheetah. But why do we do it? Sneezing is actually our body's way of blasting out irritants like dust, pollen, or even tiny bugs that might be tickling our nose. And guess what? When you sneeze, the tiny droplets from your nose can travel up to 6 feet. So next time you feel a sneeze coming on, be sure to cover your nose, and remember, it's your body's amazing superpower keeping you healthy.